Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to SSH EC2 using Putty. So there are lots of comments by multiple users like to show how to use Putty to SSH to a EC2 instance. So this will be a quite long videos, but in which I'll be covering about how to SSH EC2 using Putty, as well as if you have lost the key, or if you have the different key, how to use a Putty generator, how to use Putty. So lots of things are included in this. So please watch this video as well as the continuation video that I'll be uploading later on this after this video. So that will be mostly covering how to recover a lost key and all, or if you don't have access to a EC2 instance, how we can restore back the access by using a new key that we can do it. So let's start with this. So I'll show you how to use the putty in order to SSH EC2. So this is my EC2 dashboard. Now you can go to the putty.org. You can download the putty. You can download whichever you want over here, Windows MSI installer. And let's launch the instance. So I'm just naming it as a prod-ec2, and I will be using the Amazon Linux, and I'll be using the T2 Micro key pair. Let's create a new key pair. So this key pair name, let it be prod ec2 key. So here you can see this is the PEM key for OpenSSH. If you're using the Windows directly, you can use the PEM key. Or if you're having existing PEM keys, that you can use Putty generator in order to convert it into a PPK. So Putty uses the .ppk file. So I'll be downloading this .ppk file, create a key pair. So our file is being downloaded. So I will just keep it in my folder over here. So this is the file. If you're having the PEM key from the previous version, you can use the, if you go to the, here, there is a putty generator is also there. So you can, this one, you can utilize this in order to generate the, from PEM to PPK, you can convert using this putty generator. So as I have already downloaded the PPK file, so I can directly use it. So you can see the name of my key is prod ec2 key. The rest of the things you can keep it by default. By default, SSH is allowed. So I will launch this instance. So if you go back to the instances over here, you can click on this. Just wait for it to run the instance. Okay, so it's running now. Still, you cannot connect. Okay, just refresh once more. And let me go back over here and select. Okay, it's still initializing. So what we can do now, we can just, if you have downloaded the putty, just you can run that putty over here. Now here we need to pass the host name, port number by default SSH is 22. So it's running now. We can just refresh once. Okay, select this one. And if you click on the connect over here, you will get this information, instance name. So I will pass it on this host name over here. copy paste, and then if you go to the SSH, then you can go to the auth credentials. So here I will just put my private key that I have downloaded directly. So I will use this one and click open. So there is inside the data, if you want to go and put the user and all those things, I'm not using this one. Let it be. I will be passing while it opens the terminal. So you can see accept login as. So it's Amazon Linux EC2 hyphen user. Depending upon the default users, you can try. You can see it's mentioned over here also. On the screen, it is also mentioned EC2 hyphen user that is being used. Or you can directly write SSH hyphen I that is in the Windows. You can write it directly if you're not using Putty. So that's it. So this is how we can use the Putty in order to access the EC2 instance. So if you're having that PEM file, you need to use the Putty generator in order to convert it into a .ppk file. Now, this is our uh, production one. So I hope you understood this one, how you can utilize this Putty in order to SSH the EC2 instance. So in the next video, I'll be showing you if we have lost the key for this production EC2 server, or we have lost access to this production EC2. So how we can get back the access. Okay, so please stay tuned to this next video. So I'll be uploading in the upcoming video.